Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove apps from Windows 11 taskbar. So the Windows 11 taskbar is here at the bottom of the screen. You can see this is the list of apps on the taskbar. They are usually the apps that you often use and you want to make create a quick access to the apps. But what if you want to remove and replace them with another app? So here I'm going to show you how you can do it. First, let's remove the app first. So here I'm going to remove, for example, this Copilot apps from my taskbar. So what you need to do is just right click on the apps here on the taskbar, and there will be this option unpin from taskbar. You can click on that. So after the apps has been removed, you can add a new one by finding it on the start button. In here you can find the apps that you want. For example, I'm going to add this link in app. You can just right click. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try the Microsoft Store. Okay, so there will be this option pin to taskbar, and it will be added just like that. So that's how you can remove and add apps from or modify your taskbar. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.